This is a story about me and you.
Hi everyone, morning. I'm ready to find my work today, and so I'm gonna share my morning makeup routine. So I just washed my face, so I'm going to do toner. As my morning routine, I don't forget your tonic solutions in the morning or night, and all the way to neckline. So because of weather changes now, so this is another way to you can really protect and give an extra boost of hydration. This will be penetrate and also for next serum to really absorb deeply. And I'm gonna apply for my eye cream. You can use with eye gel or cream base or gel base, whichever the texture will be suitable for you. For me, every morning I wake up, I have an eye bag. So I would like to really tighten my eye, under eye area to cover my puffiness. So if you have a dark circle, then you can use a kind of a different formula, which is concentrated on, focus on the dark circle eye area. Okay, so you can just pat it gently over. So you don't need to actually pat it because our eye is very soft, very fragile. So you need to have just extra care to put your fingertip and pat it over. Now, as I said, I always put the C serum as a base. It boosts my antioxidant and also an even color tone. So I always use as C serum as the base after my toning. Then I'm gonna use my hydration. So this is actually serum I'm applying on my face. Also keep my face soft, and it keeps all day long from avoiding from dryness. So you can also dab it all over your face. And this texture is just the right amount. It won't give you very sticky or you know, sometimes I really hate the serum. It's kind of very sticky. And this way, if your face is really dry, you can feel they absorb very, very quickly, okay? So this is a one step I would do. Next I would do is I put day cream or night cream, doesn't matter, just the cream, depending on you need the light or heavy texture. And then I have tint moisturizer, which has SPF on it. So this is a great one. So I don't actually put the foundation straight to my face, on my face. I like to using sunscreen and tinted added. So I don't need to use a sunscreen again, depending if it's a summer, if I'm heading out on the boat. I like to use it as a separately, some sunscreen only. So because I'm going to work, I want to look my face more natural. So I'm just gonna put the light tint moisturizer with SPF on it. So this one has a minimum coverage on my face, so it doesn't look like a heavy makeup whatsoever. So you can use with a fingertip on your face, or sometimes the people using professional the foundation brush. So this is a foundation brush. So you can use the brush just to blend it all over your face evenly. The reason why you're using foundation brush or sponge so you blend it, spread out evenly. That's the whole purpose. But you can basically, you know, it's optional. You can just use your hand, your palm, to blend it over. So give you a natural look. After foundation, at this point, I'm gonna put a little bit transparent powder, like give a little bit matte looking. Also, it's a saddle to my face naturally, not heavy duty, loose powder or pressed powder, you name it. This is transparent, so it actually match with your color tone, doesn't matter, you're dark or light or medium. So my face basically basic is done. So what next? I'm gonna put my eyes. Normally I only do my eye makeup and then blushes. So I got this from Armani Beauty. It's a cream type of a foundation. So I'm just gonna use a base, blend it all over my eyelid. Then I'm wearing a gray outfit today, so I want to match with the smoky tones, but I want to use the olive palette. I'm gonna put a little bit lighter tone because I'm gonna be blended over a little bit, and then I'm gonna put little. I put the eyeline at the very last minute. I noticed when you put the eyeline first, eye pencil, and then when you do the eyeshadow, it really make it really mushy and clean look you want. End of the day, they all mushies all around your eye area. Now I'm gonna do the blending. Then you can blend it over. A little shimmer. And then I'm gonna give a little highlight on under my eyebrow, so it gives you a little bit, glimmer and shine, so it makes your eyes really pop. And then I'll use the brush, and then I use the under eye with the dark color tone. I like the powder eyeshadow type to make it under the eyeline, because they stay really well and they kind of give you a natural look instead of the hard stick pencil. Okay, and I'm using eyeline or eye pencil. So I'm using, you can use any eyeline pencil you want, but easy to apply. So you just put under your eyes, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna be just blend it one more time. And then I put in mascara. Now, this is my favorite mascara at the market so far. I've been using lots of different mascara. So I have a very short eyelash, so I don't normally using a curl. Sometimes the people using a curl. I just like to be a little bit natural. So I found this one. I'll put it in the link below about the product name. And this one actually not just extend my volume, but also give me a natural curl. I don't know why, but it does. Eyelashes are sticky, and this one gives you dry. Even you touch your skin, you see, it's a nothing, right? I don't like the mascara very liquidy type, and they all kind of eyelashes sticking together. This one is not. For you don't need to curl with the curler, and this is it. Just give you a natural volume and lift it. It's almost like you curl your eyelash. Okay. And then I'm gonna do my eyebrow. Normally people use the eyebrow pencils or powder base. I just like to use brush with a gel base so it stays, okay? Just give you a natural look. I don't like to be draw the heavy duty, you know, like a thick line. I'm using brow gel, right? Okay, so this part is done, and then finally I use the shaping my face, just my jawline, so give me a little bit the shape that like a thinner, slimmer look. So just blend it over with your brush blender. So you see, I have a brush for all different hues, and this is for all eyeshadow. So for the long time investment for the brush, it's not a bad idea. Just get a good one, get a basic one. My cheek, just do a little bit. This is also cream base. I love it because it stays really well from Armani Beauty. Just easy. So now I'm using a blush blender, just blend it in. Up to the your shaved area, just blend it in naturally your cheek. So this blush give me a natural little bit pinkish tone, almost like I have a little bit sun. I actually gonna use another tone of blush, just dab it over extra, just area. Sometimes I really like to mix with all different sorts, just experiment which one is good, you know, you feel good for you. And then I use under, I'm gonna highlight on my, just a little bit next to my nose are so flat and small. So I like to give it a little bit boost up. Look like I have a nose. I never put lipstick or lip pencil. I just use the lip balm. It keeps moist all day. And then finally, I'm using a mist from Omarofisa to reset. Just comb my hair too. Gently, just do my hair naturally. I like the messy look, so I'm not gonna blow dry or anything. Just give me a messy. There you go. So can you see? So this is actually my morning routine when I go to work. It's easy to do, okay? So I hope you all have a good day. I'll see you soon. Bye.
This is a story about me and you, and the beauty that we did pursue.